Hi friends, welcome to Prsoftwares technical channel. In the C language series, today we are going to see the program number 31. In this lecture, I will explain you about ASCII characters. Many people are getting doubt what are the ASCII characters in C language. So today I will give the explanation for that one. So what is ASCII first of all? ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And today total we are having 255 characters. It starts from 0 and ends at 255. So today I will show you how to print the ASCII characters in C language. So let's start with the video, guys. Just open the dev C++. We have to include the two header files, that is #include stdio.h, and the second header file is #include conio.h. These are the two header files we use. Then we have to take a main function. And to print the ASCII character, first we need the number, because we have to print from 2 till 255, and we need one character to print the character value. So I will take the C. So for loop I will start with 0, then it will repeat till 255, and then I value will increment. Okay, already we discussed. First it will initialize. This is the condition and this is the increment operator. Now printf the values. Printf how we want. I want ASCII value %C for this symbol is equals to %D, nothing but number. So how to print this? I will take here small c is equals to small, okay guys, wait here, small d. Okay, here first I will pass ch and second I will pass I. Ch for character and I for number, and here I will write ch is equals to ch plus 1, because every time it should incremented. Suppose example first it is 0, so it will be 0 character value, 0 number, 1 character, like this it will print. So just I will compile here first, compile the program, and just I will save the program with ASCII1.c. okay, sorry, here I have taken the ch instead of ch. I have to take c here. Go to execute, compile the program. Okay, here I have done the same mistake, guys. I will just change it to c. Okay, only variable name I change, rest everything is same. Just I will go to compile and I will just run the program. So okay, it is coming like this. So because it is coming in single line, so we will add here /n, so everything will be fine. Now go to execute, compile the program once again and just run the program. Now see, we got the character value for particular variables. So see, it starts from 1, like what are the values are there. See, for semicolon 59, for less than 60, for 60 it is less than, 61 it is equals to, and got it. The main important thing we have to remember from here, for 65 we are having capital A. This is very important, guys, because we will see one program for this one also. And around 90 is for Z, means what, capital A 65 and Z is 90 for Z. So like this, for small a we are having 97 is the start. Sorry, once again I will just compile it, run it. Okay, and see here once, one more time. Okay, here 97 is for small a, and the last Z will be for 122. So this number you have to remember, guys. Rest everything is not important, but these characters are very important. For capital A 65 and for small a 97. Rest everything will be easy for you guys. So this is about what, ASCII character. If you are having still any doubt, just mail me or just drop a comment on this video, so I can just reply on that one. So if you are like my video, guys, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.